Hello, how are you? Long time no see. Today we are going to talk about the Concord problem, and I prepared this video for ESL learners from Bantu backgrounds. And so what is the problem with the Concord? If you speak Sotho, you know that there is a unique word that follows a noun, and I call it a word on purpose. For example, you say, Victoria Otavile. Victoria is happy in English. But if you're a Bantu learner, the tendency is that you will say, Victoria, she is happy. And I wanted to bring this up in this video so that you're prepared when you see the actual presentation, that maybe the reason you follow up your nouns with the pronouns, maybe the reason you do that is related to the Concord problem. Concord is a dumela in Sesotho. And so, whenever I hear an ESL learner using a noun and a pronoun at the same time, I don't take it personally. I know that you speak more than one language. And so let's watch out for the Concord problem so that we can avoid it. Because in English, we can use either the pronoun or the noun, not both at the same time. But you see, in a Bantu language, you can do that, because even though that word looks like a pronoun, in the Bantu language, it's not a pronoun, it's a concord, and we don't have concords in English. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you soon.